Hey beautiful babes, welcome into Sugar Fingers. Alright beautiful babes, now while I was in the mood I decided to go ahead and put on a new set of press on nails. If you're new to the channel, know that I'm not a professional nail tech. I just do it myself right here at home, and I'm glad you're here hanging out with me. If you love doing your own nails, please drop a comment down below and say, girl, I do it myself for sure. Especially in these times, honey, who want to go to the nail salon? I don't know, you got to be mighty desperate and want to get those nails done, because girl, I ain't for it right now. But look, listen, if you're new to the channel, welcome in. Introduce yourself in the comments, let me know where you're hanging out from, and please stick and stay. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and let's get these nails shut poppin'. So let me just share with you what I'm using. Of course, y'all saw me take off my nails, so everything is already done. All I have to do now is just go ahead and put on the new set. So right now I have some cotton rounds, I have my alcohol, and I'll be using this set right here. This is from Memphis. It's the nail dip liquid set, but all that I'm using in this set, and I already have a actual haul that I showed y'all this in. I'm not doing dip powder nails at this time, of course. I am doing press on nails, but out of this it has several things that I could use, or a couple of things that I can use. So I'm going to use this base coat. This I will put to protect my nails. First I'm going to actually spritz them with the alcohol to dry them out, and then I'll put on the base coat. Now if I was using press on nails that I wanted to be a little bit more stable, I would definitely use this top coat and put it on top of the actual nails. But since I'm not, these particular ones are matte, and they also have the glitter nail and the actual jewel nail, I won't be needing this, so I'll just set that aside. Right now, let me just dehydrate my nails a little bit more and get the oils off, and I'm just going to use alcohol for that today. Before I put on the base coat, let me just show you the nails that I'll be using today. And y'all may have seen this in my huge nail haul. These are from Kiss. I picked these up at CVS, and they are the Kiss Masterpiece nails. I'll have the name and information of them in the description box as well as across the screen. These are so beautiful, and these are the long style. These have 30 nails included, and it has 12 accent nails along with the glue. So let's just take this and open it up and see exactly what we have. And I want to thank you all for voting to tell me which ones to use. I hope this is one of the selections that everybody chose, or that most everybody chose. If not, y'all know the other ones are coming. So this one does have the little glue in it, which, will I use it? I'm not sure. Let's see. I may still end up using the glue that I normally use, which is the Macart. Or Macart, however you pronounce it. I don't know. This is the glue that I have had the best experience with, is by Macart. I believe that's how most people pronounce it. I don't know. But this one is a brush-on glue, which I really love that. More than likely, I'll end up using that one. So let's get into these nails. How beautiful are they? And I did open them up earlier, and I had to take a glance and gander and see, try to determine exactly how I was going to do mine today. They actually come with a little file here and a wood stick. Chances are I won't be using these. I'll just set those aside. And here is the selection of nails. I'm going to bring that close so you can actually see what we have here. Oh my goodness. The glitter nails are beautiful. The actual jewel nails are beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love that. I hope it's showing up on the camera. And you have these matte nails right here. Those are super nice as well. So I'm not sure how my design is going to go. I'll have to see which ones fit my nails perfectly before I can even figure that out. So I'm just going to dump out these nails here, and I'm going to figure out which ones will work for me. So let me get busy doing that and just outline them here and see what we have first. So of course, if need be, you can always file the sides if they don't fit. I haven't mapped it all out yet, so I'm just trying to see which way is which. More than likely, the way it looks, these are all too big for my pinkies. So for sure, the pinky fingers will get the matte gray looking shade. Yeah, that's going to work just fine. That's for the pinky there. Okay, for the thumb, now it looks like, of course, they will definitely have to either be a shimmer. No, that's a little bit small. So more than likely they'll have to be matte, which is pretty understandable. See. And the sizes are on the tip of the nail. You know I can't see, so I'm going to get my magnifying glass here, and that's a 3. You can mark your sizes once you discover what you wear. That's a 3. Let me see what else we have here. This is a 2. Let's see if that'll work. It looks like that's hanging a little bit too far over, and the 3 looks like it is got a little bit of an edge on there, so maybe I need to file the 3 to make it work for me, or file the 2 and make it work for me. I don't know, it looks like it fits that nail better. That's my right hand, so you think my right is a 2 and my left is a 3? It appears that may be the case. That's gonna be weird, isn't it? I think I'm just going to put 2 on both of them. No, I'm going to put a 3 on both of them. Yeah. I'm thinking that's the way I'm going to do that. Yes. Alright, got that out of the way. Now these accent nails, I'm trying to see. More than likely, I think I'll do the 2 studded ones or crystal ones in the 2 fingers here, if that'll work. If not, it'll be these 2 fingers. So let's see what we got here. Let's just see what size that is. Okay, and it appears I may go ahead and do the shimmer one as my pointing finger, okay? And that size here, you know, it's buried in there. I can hardly see what it is. That's crazy. So I'll just have to figure it out. So this is really the smallest size. So it'll have to work. I don't need to really file it, so we'll put that there. And I have a whole nother set that I can use on a future date. So perfect. Alright, in order to not disrupt my nails, I'm going to, as I mentioned, put a base coat on. This is a fast dry base coat, so it's not a gel. I don't have to cure it or anything, so let's go ahead and do that right now. I just wanted to do this so I can protect my nails a little bit more than just putting that glue on top, because I noticed it's still some on my nail, and I didn't buff all the way down on my nail. This is just going to give it a protective coating so that I don't have to worry about damaging my own nail. Press-on nails should be the easiest thing ever to do for anybody if you want some pretty nails, because it's really nothing to do except, you know, clean your nails off, get off the extra built-up cuticle, push your cuticles down, and get a good glue and glue them on for the most part. I'm doing a little bit extra because I want to make sure, as I'm going to be doing lots of nail looks for you, I wanted to make sure that I do the extras as well. And that's funny because that didn't even coat my nail. It's like it disappeared. So I'm not sure what's going on there. If it just doesn't like it, or if it's just gonna disappear and not stay shiny. Maybe that's what it is. We shall see. Which I'm good with that. I just want that extra protection down so that that nail glue won't be tearing away at my nails. Yeah, that one did the same thing. So, hey, that may be what it's doing. Just drying down. So I'm going to let this dry down, and I'll be back once that does what it does, and we'll be ready to put on the nails. Okay, I gave that a little time to dry. So now I'm going to start with my glue and start with my pinky nail first and work my way inward, and I'll leave my thumbs for last. So let me get started. I swear it looks like a piece of hair on my nail. It is. We don't want that. Okay. Came off, but don't know what's going on with that. Did I get it? Yes. It's just a piece of lint or something like that. Okay. Let's start with this glue and the pinky nail. I don't push too far under my cuticle. Hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds. And I'll see how this base works under here. I'm going to be trying different methods on how to get my nails on, or how I'm going to get them sticking and staying. So we shall see. So that's the first nail on. All right, let's get to the ring finger. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with my right hand, and I'm going to show you the finished results in just a moment. All right, I have the nails on. There's them. All I have to do now is just kind of file off the tips there where, you know, I guess it's just a little tab Maybe just in manufacturing, however they have that. But they are so pretty. Ew, they're so pretty. I love that. Oh yeah. I'm going to file them, buff them. Well, file the tip of them off and put some lotion or oil around my hands, probably some lotion. And then I am finito. Yes.